In this video, I will share the top benefits of making money online. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full time now for over 20 years, and it has really changed my life. And before I go over the specific benefits of making money online, can you do me a big favor? If you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and I know you'll want to get the information. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all comments. So there are all kinds of side hustles or ways to make extra money. But here's why I love making money online, and hear me out. It's way more than just that you can make a lot of money. Did you know that there are lucrative online business opportunities that are very low cost to start and have very low monthly overhead? And if you choose the right one, it can be super simple to scale up too. Some have very low learning curves. I found an online business where many new people make money their very first day. It's that simple. Two of the things I like best about the way I make money online are, first, that you can really leverage your time. In fact, I can show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even with no previous experience. And then second, along with that, is the flexibility to work anywhere you want, whenever you want, and not work when you choose also. My online business allows me to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are busy at their traditional job. And I build my business while I'm out doing that, thanks to an automated marketing system. Having owned several brick and mortar type businesses in the past, I really like no longer having to deal with employee headaches. And it's still particularly cool to be your own boss too. Here's a perfect example of what I mean. Yesterday, my wife Barbara fell and hit her head. I couldn't get the bleeding to stop. Well, long story short, we spent most of the day in the emergency room. But I did not have to notify a boss. I did not need to use personal or vacation days. I just did what needed to be done. What a benefit. Talk about peace of mind. Most don't have this luxury. But I know the biggest thing that draws people to making money online is the money that you can make each day. And it can be significant. However, one thing many people do not think of is the ability to earn passive or recurring income too. See, that's money that can continue to come in long term for the sales you make each day. Think about how cool it would be to get paid months from now for the sales you made today. This recurring income can really set you free. I love it. So if I've sold you on the idea of making money online, let me tell you a little about the business I'm in and why it is my #1 recommended income stream. First off, it's a unique affiliate marketing opportunity that anyone can do. People all over the globe are having life-changing success with us. And like I said, it's super simple. I know of no better way to make money fast, and that's even if you are a complete beginner. And as for the money you can make, we have the best pay plan I've seen in the entire home business industry. We get paid 80% commissions on 4 high-demand products that almost sell themselves, 80%. That means just 2 sales and you are in profit. And on top of that, it pays out long-term recurring income too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Our business is all done online and it's mostly automated. You'll have your own simple yet powerful marketing system that really leverages your time. You'll not have to create anything. Following our quick start strategy, you can do just that. Get started making money fast. And that means no wasting days getting set up and running. And with us, you can create a full-time income, like I said, in as little as 30 minutes a day. We provide the best training you will find anywhere. We offer daily live training calls on Zoom. We have an extensive online training website with dozens of how-to videos, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. To learn more and start making money online today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.